Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming two essentials. You're signed into the correct Apple ID and your device region matches the card. Once done, open the App Store or iTunes app, tap your avatar or account menu. Choose Redeem Gift Card or Code, use the camera to scan the 16-digit code, or tap Enter Code manually and type it exactly. Do this now. It prevents issues later, and your balance will apply to purchases and subscriptions automatically. Once redeemed, verify the updated Apple ID balance in account settings so you know available funds. Then choose items, apps, songs, movies, or subscriptions, and confirm purchase. The system uses your account balance first, then your payment method if needed. If buying a subscription, make sure billing renewals align with your balance and payment card. Also, check family sharing rules if applicable. One balance cannot be split across multiple countries. This ensures purchases complete. To finish, recheck your purchase history and subscriptions to confirm the balance was applied. If the code fails, pause. Confirm the card was activated at purchase, the region matches, and you're signed into the same Apple ID. If problems persist, contact Apple support and provide the card image plus receipt. This speeds resolution. Keep the physical card and proof until resolved. Finally, note that refunded items may return funds to your Apple ID balance, not your payment card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.